Hey everyone, Andover Adam here. I'm back with some great new fabric collections, and let's jump right in with this Noel collection from Laundry Basket Quilts. This is a super versatile collection from Edita, which I love because not only do you get great colors for Christmas, but these are prints, a lot of them, that look beautiful all year round. Something new in this collection is this great panel which comes in two colorways, and what I love about it is there's so many different elements in here that you can cut out and that you can really use to personalize your quilt, whether it's the letters here or the snowflake here with the trees on either side. There's all these borders that you can cut out as well, so it's really versatile fabric that is going to make for some really spectacular quilts. Next, we have two debut collections from our newest member of the Andover team, Scandi Quilts. Oracle is a sewing and tarot card themed supernatural collection featuring three beautiful colorways and lions, and you could draw the 3 of needles, the 2 of bobbins, the 6 of bolts. How do you not love this? In addition to the starring panel of this collection, which measures 24 by 44 inches, and each card is 5 3/4 inches by 10 inches, we have this wonderful stripe at the bottom, which repeats 3 times across the goods. That's going to be a really great border to go around not just the panel, but these wonderful companion prints that you see here. And also coming in March, we have this daughter collection from Scandi Quilts, which is going to get you that nice pop of color to add to the Oracle collection. We're printing our fabric collections, especially our holiday and seasonal collections, way ahead of time so that you know that you can get your goods when you want them. The first of which is this Halloween collection for next year, the Hocus Pocus collection from Kim Schaefer. The collection features some great witchy panels with a hat up top and the boots and broom down below, and some really great love potions, or maybe that's black magic potions here as well. For our Christmas and Halloween and other holiday collections, you can either order the collection for their first delivery date, in this case for this beautiful Bird Humbug collection, that's April, or you can order them later in the year for a June and July delivery, whichever suits you best. This year, we're doing a Hanukkah-themed collection called the Festival of Lights. We've got dreidels and menorahs and hamsas. We also have some great classic Christmas groups from our friends across the pond at Macauery UK, starting with this festive foliage group, which features this great poinsettia. Santa, the snowman, and his reindeer are all here in the Merry Christmas collection. You can take this fabric as early to your store as March, but if you want it for a later delivery into June, July, you can do that as well. And by the way, Macauer is also known for their stocking panels and their advent calendars. They've got a mini stocking advent calendar here on the left, a big stocking panel in the middle, and then an advent calendar on the right, complete with instructions on the panel itself for how to assemble it. Macauer also has this 4-piece Santa Paws collection featuring our feline friends with a blocks panel, an all-over toss, and an advent calendar on the right. Macauer has also gifted us this great 3-piece skaters collection with all-over skaters and another advent calendar. If you're looking for a great blender collection to tie all of your Christmas collections together, check out these Christmas essentials from Macauer. They feature either metallic gold where you see the gold, or metallic silver at the bottom on the white where you see that there. And it wouldn't be Christmas without a Scandi collection, a favorite every year from Macauery UK. We've got that great red and cream combination and a silver and cream combination. And then those wonderful Scandi panels with the red and gray version on the left, and then we have an advent calendar just in red on the right. Rounding out our Christmas offerings for this year, we have some bright collections. First, this Oh Christmas Tree, a 15-piece collection available starting in April. And then maybe the cutest one of all, the Things Are Looking Up collection featuring that snowman panel both in green and red and in blue on the right. And I just love it, tangled up in all those Christmas lights. This is a lot of fun, also available starting for April delivery. If you're looking for a Halloween collection with a scrapbooky feel, look no further than the Mystery Manor collection featuring some really great illustrations of owls, crows, cats, bats, and more. And if you're looking for that classic Halloween look, look no further than the Witchy Poo collection featuring the Great Witch flying past the moon on 2 panels and in that great all-over toss. We also have great Cheshire Smiles and that fun cat. We also have some great collections of smaller scale prints coming out in this mailing. For a May delivery, we have the Spice Cider collection with those harvesty oranges, greens, and purples. And a few months earlier in March, we have the St. Leonard collection from Max and Louise. It's a shirting style collection, and it has one of my favorite prints in it, this great cat and ball of yarn print here. This is available in 3 colors, and this is a wonderful collection that ties in with just about everything. But after all of this, maybe you just want to get away from it all, and I mean way away from it all. And in that case, the Spaced Out collection from Kim Schafer is exactly what you're looking for. It's a great kids group with 2 panels, one in white, one in blue, and you see that really cute big sun, and you're just blasting off in that rocket right there. Finally, we have this Midnight Magic collection, a great palette group from Renee Nanaman of Needle Love. You're getting black fabric, but with some really nice subtle color on it here. Some oranges and greens and some purples. These are going to be great, not only with harvest, but also with all kinds of other fabric collections which call for that black with just a little bit of something extra. Thanks so much again for watching. If you want to go and download the catalog for yourself, the one we've been reviewing here, the link is in the description below. Until next time, be safe, be well, and take care.